Hello, so this video is explaining how to do the escape room. So I'm in the 6th grade Schoology class. I'm going to go to Module J. I'm going to go to Unit 3. I'll go to Lesson 3. And then the heat transfer escape room's right here, so I'm going to open that. Once that opens, I'm going to go ahead and download it so that I can switch it around, and I'm going to make it so that I can see the whole thing. Okay, so this was the introduction. You don't have to do anything there, and I do want to show you what you're supposed to turn in. Let's see. So the only thing you're turning in is this code tracker, where you're going to put all 4 of your codes. So let's go to code number 1. Here's code number 1. It says use these clues to fill in the blanks and then use the numbered spaces to get your code. So you're going to put words in these blanks, and whatever letter is in with the number, that's where you're going to put here. That's the letter that you're going to put there. Now there's a word bank for code number 1 in on Schoology in this file, so make sure you use that word bank. Code number 2 is probably the most difficult. So it says, assemble the triangle pieces by matching the sides and using the clues. Once the puzzle is assembled, your code will be revealed in the center. Enter the letters of your code using capital letters in alphabetical order. So these are the triangles that we're using, and what you'll notice is there's a vocabulary word, and then there's some definitions, and you're going to match the vocabulary word to the definitions to make this shape. You might want to go ahead and print these 3 pages so that you can kind of manipulate those. And then whatever you have in the middle here, you're going to put that in alphabetical order, and you're going to write that here. So that's code 2. Code 3, basically you are going to use ABC for questions 1 through 5, and you'll put ABC in here, and then the last one is true false. So once you finish this, you can upload it to this assignment right here. Thank you.